Oh, Royals, welcome back to the 12 Days of Glam Holiday Styling Series. I am serving up yummy goodness with this fun, exciting, so whimsical sugar and spice holiday centerpiece. Guys, I started with this theme on last year and I decided to continue on with this look, but just give it a refresh. So this is Sugar and Spice 2.0, and I'm just adding to the yummy goodness that was already created from last year's design. So many of these materials, you guys, are materials that I've already had. And if you want to see how I created this, then sit back, relax, and let's get into it. My foundation is with Dollar Tree platter and styrofoam boards. These are 2 trees from the Dollar Tree. You guys, I took an old Christmas tree, dismantled it to create my extra picks, and I have some picks here from Hobby Lobby, my local craft shop, ribbons from last year, and just a few tools that you will need: scissors, cutting shears, and a glue gun, of course. So here I am beginning to just anchor the Dollar Tree Christmas trees as my side pieces because I wanted a little bit of length and volume to this design. And because I want this to last for a while, because it will be repeated in seasons to come, I wanted to go ahead and glue in the base of my stems. And again, these pieces, the smaller ones, are from a dismantled white tree that I had. I knew I was no longer going to use it, so I figured why not give it extra use. And that could be a tip to you. If you have an old Christmas tree, don't toss it out. You can use some of those pieces to create garlands, centerpieces as you see me do here, or just to fill in spaces of your new tree. So as you can see here, I am just creating a foundation for my design. Because that's a little bit long, I went ahead and bent them so that I could give it more of a rounded or soft appearance. I want it to be full and voluptuous and all of the things that you think of when you hear sugar and spice and everything nice, because that's what little girls are made of, right? So it has to be fluffy, fun, and over the top. So let's continue on to build the base of this centerpiece. The key to this design, you guys, is to layer on different textures of a monotone foundation, meaning I'm going to use a lot of layers of white. But the trick to giving it interest is that you'll see me using different elements and textures. Here I am adding a white deco mesh. You'll later see me adding on different layers of other white elements. Most of the steps here will be self-explanatory, so I won't do a whole lot of talking during the video, but I will chime in to give you little tips as I am styling this piece.
Go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire.
The foundation is laid. Now let's add on another layer. Guys, I am tying in these really fun ribbons. One I picked up from my local craft store, and the one inch one is from Hobby Lobby, you guys, in their Easter season collection. And I just knew they would be perfect for my colors for this particular theme. Again, you don't always have to shop for your decor within that season. Think outside the box, plan your themes ahead, and you will forever have pieces that will flow beautifully with your design. I've had these for several years now, but as you see, I have stored them properly and they serve me well season after season. So that's just another little tip for you guys. Shop different seasons for different seasons. Here I'm just adding some fun and cute little loops throughout the ribbon. I just want it to be fun and whimsical, nothing too serious and stuffy. Just an effortless flow of fun and whimsy. That's complete. Now we're going to add yet another layer of the white. I wanted to have a very 3D effect, so here I am adding some floral picks that I also got from Hobby Lobby. I've had these several seasons, but I buy them season after season because they serve so well in various centerpieces, custom wreaths, Christmas trees, you name it. They are so versatile. They are a glittered fern pick. They come in gold, white, silver, and they used to come in red, but I haven't seen them in red this year. I've been on the lookout, and a soft champagne. So if you're in the market for some, check out Hobby Lobby. My goal for this piece, you guys, is that I wanted to look like we had a nice winter snow, and out of nowhere, candy just started falling from the sky in the snow. That was my vision in my head. And so here I am creating that fun, whimsical vision with these cute little pink and white striped picks. They're so fun, and they mimic that of a candy cane, but in the pink and white version. I think it's so fitting for my sugar and spice theme. How cute are these little donut with sprinkle picks as well as some candies? Again, tying in with my theme, you guys. I picked these up in my local craft store, but you can easily find picks of your choice at any of your local craft stores. Just come up with your theme and stay cohesive, which is what I did in this instance. How cute are these? But guys, they didn't start out as picks. They were actually ornaments from Hobby Lobby. I simply added, as you see me doing here, some barbecue skewers and create a pick of my desire. I can make them any height or dimension that I choose just by inserting the pick, and voila, there you have it. Here's another one. So fun, so easy, and they definitely make a big impact as opposed to just laying flat within the arrangement itself. I wanted them to stand at attention as if they were stuck in a bed of snow. And I don't know about you, but this is definitely waking up that kid at heart. I think we all have that little childlike nature when it comes to the holiday season. We all love to give gifts, and we love to receive gifts. And we are celebrating the greatest gift of all, and that is the birth of our Lord and Savior. So for me, this is all about the celebration. I want to see the smile on my beautiful niece's face when they come over and they see all of the things that I put together in honor of them, because this theme is in honor of my beautiful nieces, my daughters, my great nieces. They're creating the same type of pick with the cupcakes, you guys. They were ornaments, and I simply transitioned them into floral picks. You always hear me say, if you can't find what you're looking for, you simply create it. And that's exactly what I've done with those particular pieces. And how fun are these, you guys? They look like actual cake pops with sprinkles, and I love them. Here I am just switching out the stem that they came on just to give me a little bit more firmness and control over the angle of the stems. So I am doing the same thing there, removing the original stem and just inserting a pick of my choosing, which is the skewer sticks, and they are working perfectly. So are you guys liking this theme so far? I am loving the 2.0 version of it. And here I am adding the suckers that I had from last year. Just wanted to create a little bit more whimsy and over the top effect in this centerpiece. The key to any good design is to layer, layer, layer. Keep your theme cohesive and just let your creativity flow. This one is being stubborn, but I'm going to get it placed just perfectly. There you go. And you can certainly glue all of these down, but I knew that I wanted to play around with the positioning, and look at what I have created so far. But I wanted to wait before gluing anything down until I am absolutely sure with my design. And here, as you see, I am pulling one of the picks apart to spread them out throughout the centerpiece, and it just gives you a little bit more bang for your buck. So one pick essentially becomes 5 mini picks. And it gives me total creative control to insert them at my discretion. And I am loving it. So fun, so whimsical. And guys, what I am left with is an over-the-top, whimsical, sugar and spice and everything nice themed centerpiece. And if you know me, you know my love of reindeer, so no space is complete without one making an appearance somewhere. And how fun is this to have the reindeer sitting in the midst of the snow and goodies. I love it. Sugar and spice and everything nice, because that's what all the queens are made of. And if this is your first time visiting and you see what you like and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and join the Royal family. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity. To all of my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. Guys, this is just video number 3 of 12, so you don't want to miss a single video. Click those notification bells, hit them twice so that you always know when I upload new content. If you want to see how this will be styled along with other pieces, then come back on Friday and see what awaits. There will be so much more to share in this space. On Friday, we will do a full-on decorate and style with me. You guys, we're going to be doing the coffee bar. We're going to do above cabinet styling, all in this fun and whimsical sugar and spice theme. And you don't want to miss it, because there's some more great DIYs to share with you in that video. Then we will conclude on Sunday with the full tour of the tree, as well as the spaces that I share on Friday, so you don't want to miss it. Until then, you guys, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal, and have yourself a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. See you in the next one.